How to use VPN in Brave browser. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open our Brave browser, and once done, go to your Chrome web store. Now here in our search bar, let's look for a free VPN. All right. So once you have clicked on enter, you will see a series of free VPN extensions that you can add to your Brave browser. As for me, I'll be using FreeVPN ZenMate. So let's click on this one. So once you've clicked on FreeVPN ZenMate, you will see an overview of the extension basically. Now all we need to do is to click on Add to Brave. And there will be a pop-up, and let's just simply say Add Extension. Once the extension has been added, it will actually show you here in our search engine beside it. So there's like a puzzle piece in here. Let's click on that one, and then you can see under your extensions FreeVPN ZenMate. Now let's hit on it, and then you will be able to see this one, and your location right now, or my location right now rather, is in Singapore. To change the location, you can actually click on the country and click on the country that you would like to make use of, like for example Germany. And for other countries, it's not actually available on my end since I'm only a free user, so these countries are only available for pro users. So that's about it for today's video guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.